Hey, my name is Daniela and I lead the onboarding team here at TaxDome. Whether you're switching from another system or setting up your first practice management platform, we know it can feel overwhelming, but here's the good news. It's not like that with us. Most firms are fully onboarded in 6 to 8 weeks. You'll have a dedicated onboarding manager to meet with regularly and reach out to anytime by email. And if you ever get stuck, our customer care team button is available 24/7 inside your TaxDome portal, just a click away. We also offer free weekly group onboarding sessions that cover all the essentials. And if you want to speed things up, you can grab our ready-to-use templates from the TaxDome marketplace, so you can start working right away. And when you go live, it's a big moment for you and for us. And after go live, the support keeps going. You'll have the ongoing access to our academy, webinars, and community of peers. Plus, our award-winning support team available whenever you need them.